so I'm getting started placing some pretzel thins right onto my baking dish. I am going to just go ahead and put those so they're a nice layer right there on the bottom. Those look great. Now right away, we're gonna come right over here and we are putting in 1 cup of butter right into our saucepan, and we'll follow it up with a cup of brown sugar. Now, as that starts to cook, you'll notice that the brown sugar and the butter just start to mix together. It's almost like it forms a caramely sauce. And so just continue to mix it. You don't want to burn it, so keep an eye on it and just mix it all together until you see that consistency. So there we go, you guys. You see that consistency right there? That's exactly what you want. Everything is mixed together and oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so we're gonna come right over here. We're just gonna pour those directly on top of those pretzels. So drizzle all of that out. It's okay if the pretzels move. We'll resituate everything, no big deal. Oh, look at that. It's just like oozing out into those pretzels. So of course, you just wanna gently come through and even out all of that delicious brown sugar butter sauce we just made on top of those pretzels. Oh, the sweet, salty combination is just going to be fabulous. So we have everything evenly distributed and it looks delicious. So now I'm gonna pop it in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for 8 minutes so all of that goodness just bakes together, and stick around because you are gonna love this. Delicious. Wow, those look so good. All right, everything is so baked together and looks delicious. This is exactly what we want. We're off to a great start. Now to make it even better, I have some melted chocolate right here, and I'm just gonna start to kind of drizzle that all over the top of those pretzels. Let's go ahead and get our spatula here. We wanna get all of this chocolate right out. And you know what? My landscapers are here today and they're just whipping around out there. That's life. Real life is happening here, you guys. Real life is happening. This is the real deal. So, and the chocolate was melted, the pretzels were done. I just couldn't wait for the landscapers to be all done. So we're real life working here today. And thank you for being here along with me for that. I thought they were gonna be here in the morning, but they showed up a little bit late. Anyways, enough about the landscapers. I am spreading this delicious chocolate right over the top of these pretzels, and it is going to go so good with that brown sugar butter mixture. I'm gonna see if I can pull it all the way to the edges to fully coat all those suckers right there. Check it out. We have a full layer of delicious chocolate, and there's even a little bit, still a little bit left. I will definitely be licking that later. Okay, now to make it even better, you guys, I have some Reese's Pieces. My thought is, we've got fall and we've got Halloween coming up. What better than Reese's Pieces? For one, I love Reese's Pieces. And for two, I love the colors. They're just like Halloween, just like fall. So I thought that those would go great. Here I have a couple more. Let's put those right there on the top. Now look at that. That looks perfect. Perfect for fall, perfect for Halloween, right? Super easy. I can't wait to try this, but I'm gonna have to let it sit and just set, cool down, and stick around because this is gonna be your new favorite tasty treat. Our delicious treat is done and everyone in this home is definitely eager to have some. I'm gonna slide my knife right under here and just show you guys that once this all cools down, you'll be able to lift this all the way up. Let's see, here I have some parchment paper. Let me just take this entire sheet right off of there. Look at that. I can just take the parchment paper, peel it off, and look at all of those pretzels just soaked in. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. So peel off all of that parchment paper. We're gonna break this up and we are going to eat some for sure. So we have that parchment paper off and we'll start to just break it all up just like a peanut brittle you would. You just break all of that up. Oh, that looks so good. Yum, I cannot wait to have some of this. I have really been craving this stuff. Definitely a favorite around here. And I'm gonna love having it with those Reese's Pieces. I'm gonna leave some big pieces, some big chunks. We'll do some smaller chunks, whatever is your cup of tea, right? All right, there we have it. Ready to rock and roll and dig in. And look at that. I wanna just show you really quick. I can see those pretzels. Do you see all those pretzels right in there? Mm-hmm. That layer of pretzel, it's gonna be delicious. Just as I expected, delicious.
The saltiness from the pretzel, the sweetness, the chocolate, the Reese's. This is the perfect holiday treat, you guys. I hope you love this recipe. Share it with a friend. Let me know what you think. Enjoy. We'll see you later.